Hello everyone, this is part one of a training video for clueless and disobedient children on household etiquette. Part one today is about putting things in the sink. So when you have something like this, you see that? It's a knife that still has wet, fresh sauce on it. In this case it's ketchup. Instead of doing this, we ask you to do something else. What happens is when you do that, later in the night, it comes back and we have this. As you can see, all that sauce is dried up on the knife, and then you can't do this. See? It's still there, which means someone like me has to do this. It's still there, so I have to do it more. And as I'm doing this late at night, all I'm thinking about is how much I dislike whoever threw that in there. No, look at that. Okay, so the tip is that instead of doing that, forcing me to do that, while it's still wet and fresh and saucy, do this. Look at that. Took 2 seconds. That was part one for disobedient and clueless children. Now here's a warning. If you don't follow part one of my instructional video, I'm going to do this.